I'm the first one to talk.
Lisa, get in there. Alright, you look beautiful. Alright, so what are we doing right now?
Hydraulic systems.
So explain to me what's going to happen.
Can you explain?
I'll give it to us and Matthew.
Okay, what's going to happen is this. There is an input and an output. Then if you push the input, then you're going to see the results of the output. It's going to go out now.
And how does that work? Like, what is it using?
Water and a syringe and then a tube.
Okay, so show me what it does.
Okay, you must be cool with it.
Oh, sad. So what happened?
This time it's done.
Nothing happened.
Okay, so what do we need to do?
We need to start
Undo it
over.
again.
And do what?
And make it tight.
Yes.